Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this curly half up half down hairstyle. To start, we're going to divide off small slices of hair and then we're going to take 1-inch sections and just wrap these around a curling tong. I'm using a waving wand. Just make sure that every time you wrap a curl, you wrap it in the opposite direction than the one previous to it. Once you've got all the hair curled, just rake your fingers through those curls to break them up a little bit. And all we're going to do is gather a small section of hair at the crown of the head, give it a twist and pin it to the head with a bobby pin. Then pinch and pull at the hair to make it nice and loose. Next, we're going to take a small slice of hair from right next to that crown section on the right hand side, twist it towards the head and pin it just to the left hand side. Then pinch and pull at that twist with your fingers. And then we're just going to repeat this on the left hand side. So take a small slice of hair from the left hand side of the head, twist it towards the head and pin it on the right hand side, and then pinch and pull that twist. And we're just going to take another section on the right hand side and do the same again. So twist it towards the head, bring it over to the left hand side and pin it to place. And then pinch and pull all the way along that twist. And then repeat one more time on the left hand side. So take a small slice of hair, twist it towards the head, bring it over to the right hand side and pin in place. And then pinch and pull that twist apart. Now we're going to take one more slice of hair from the right hand side, but I've left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face. Again, we're going to twist this towards the head, but we're going to pin this just to the right hand side of the head under that previous twist. And again, loosen everything up by pinching and pulling. And then we're going to repeat on the left hand side. So leave some hair down to frame the face, twist the hair towards the head, and then just pin that to the left hand side with a bobby pin. And then just pinch and pull at the twist so it matches the rest of the hair. Apply some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just rake your fingers through the hair to give it a nice piecey texture. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.